Ano ba mga kabalen? Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of Fernando Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Guys, for today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa Lazatin Boulevard, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. And we were invited to come and check out Chachu Tapsilogan. Yun guys, so if you wanna know more about mga sinaserve nila dito, samahan nyo po sa video na to.
So tara, let's go!
So yun guys, habang piniprepare yung mga meals natin for today, let's talk about the menu and the price. So actually, dun sa mga silog meals nila, yung mga single orders, as low as 108 pesos, no? In order. And kagandahan dito,
unlimited garlic rice. Meron din sila mga a la carte like tapa, pork sisig, yan. Yan yung mga magandang i-partner with garlic rice.
Correct. And isang sa mga na-surprise ako dito, meron silang tinatawag na unkabogable meals. Kapag on-order mo yung dalawang unkabogable meal nila, na-order mo na lahat yung mga silog meals.
Wow.
And for the drinks, so they have fruity juices.
Let's try that.
Sana matikman natin.
This is Tropa Pips.
Tropa Pips.
Chick pork adobo.
Chick pork.
Ito po yung La Familia.
Wow!
La Familia.
Grabe pala. Alright, so few minutes later guys, the table is ready and this is what they prepared for us, brother. Sobrang generous ang dami nito.
Actually, hindi naman natin pinaserve yung lahat ng mga silog kasi dito pa lang sa dalawa, kompleto na.
Ang kabogables meal nila. Okay, but anyway, so for the mga single orders na silog natin, what do we have, bro?
So meron tayo dito yung pork steak silog, meron tayong tapa silog, and yung chick pork adobo silog.
Anyway, so if you notice, in the middle is the rice, and then yung lahat ng mga ano natin, mga available actually doon sa mga single orders.
So this is their Tropa Pips. Siyempre, ito naman yung other side naman natin, yung
La Familia. Wow! So ano pang hinihintay natin guys? Tikman na natin ito.
To start up yung ano natin, yung pagchichaw natin, siyempre, inom muna tayo. Yung kanilang, akin yung kanilang blue lemonade.
Okay? Mine is lemon yakult naman.
Ito yung mga gusto ko yung medyo may asin.
First try. Right here. Corned beef pa lang. Solve na. So far, what are you enjoying, brother?
Ako, nag-enjoy ako dun sa kanilang mga single serving, yung kanilang pork steak. Yun, nag-enjoy talaga ako. Yes.
Makes sense. Kasi naman, guys, meron itong medyo sauce, may sabaw, di ba? So this is not included there. Okay.
For the drinks naman, blue lemonade. Yeah, blue lemonade ako.
Gusto mo yung medyo maasim?
Yes.
What an experience! Grabe. Look at my chan.
So thank you so much, Chachu Tapsilogan.
Napaka-generous po ninyo. Guys, if you're looking for that kind of food dito sa Lazatin Boulevard, pwede itong dayuin kasi hindi problem yung parkingan nga. At the same time, napaka-accessible dahil lapit lang niya sa daan. So if you're that kind of person na naghahanap ng ganitong pagkain, you gotta visit this one.
Yeah, so Chachu Tapsilogan is located dito sa may kanto lang siya ng Villa Victoria, Lazatin Boulevard. And they are open from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Open sila ulit 4 p.m. to 12 midnight naman.
Yan. So, yun guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the food you saw in this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.